What's up, old school homies? Check out this beautiful piece of green opal agate. If you really want to break down what is this green rock here, let's break it down. It's an agate because of this spot right here. So let's zoom in on what makes this piece of quartz quartz. Easy identifier. If you could ever find a pocket of chalcedony like that, that's going to tell you that this is a quartz over, say, a serpentine or a fine piece of actinolite or some sort of noble serpentine, even epidote. If you find a pocket of chalcedony, this is a piece of quartz. But you have to break it down further because this part does have some clear, plain chalcedony spots. But this is an opaque quartz, so it's either a common opal or a jasper. So how would you break it down from there and say, is this an agate jasper or an opal agate? Well, it helps to have other rocks around. First off, is it a piece of epidote? No, because it's close, but the color is a little bit off. This is more of a yellowish pea green. And I know we are pea green here too, but it's a little bit of a color difference. Same with the serpentine, it's not the same color, and the serpentine, you could tell it's just a fibrous rock, and this is not breaking off in a fibrous way at all. It's breaking off like a piece of opal or a piece of jasper. So I have some common opal right here, and it appears to have the same exact amount of shine to it. And see how I can get it to shine right there. Same with this. This is a very shiny piece. It takes a really trained eye to notice common opal versus jasper. The only difference is a water content. The common opal will form at a lower temperature, and some water is still inside of this rock. So you would call it a hydrated silica. So that's our piece of, most people would call this a piece of jasper. They would just say jasper, green jasper. If they were fancy, they would call it agate jasper. If they were really refined and tried to look at how shiny it is, they would say this is a opal agate. And that's where I'm standing on it. I would say it's an opal agate. But if you were to try to buy it, just look up green jasper and you're going to find this.